Here we have a Brown and Sharpe 618 Micromaster surface grinder. We got it hooked up to 230 volt 3-phase power, and we got it turned on here, and we're going to show you it working. This unit has manual travels, and it also has hydraulic travels, and we're going to show you all that. And it's also got a coolant pump. So Doug's going to show you here how to work it.
Okay, this one here goes up and down travel. Back down. Manually. This one here be in and out. And this one here is back and forth. Now let's do it hydraulically. You gotta crank it a little bit. And there's hydraulically. Okay. And if you're back and forth motion, you have to crank this lever right here and hit this all the way over.
So there was
This lever right here.
hit it over
To the middle.
To the middle.
Straight up and
Okay.
down.
And then hit that.
And then hit it to automatic.
Hit that to automatic. Okay. And then right now it's hydraulically moving.
Right. Now here's your coolant. Right here, the speed control. This is fast all the way to the left. As you gradually come back, you can slow it down. And if you want to go faster,
Okay, that is the Brown and Sharpe 618 Micromaster surface grinder.